Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today, Marty is the man. He is getting the wheels and tires put on the rims today. And I think we're gonna get them mounted up on the M3 and run them for the last few weeks of the season. I can't wait to see the rims and tires on the car. It's going to look just life-changing. So let's get the wheels and tires loaded up into the truck. Thank goodness my wife does drive a truck. Billie Jean, for those who are new to the channel, Billie Jean is the truck that me and my wife bought back in October, and it's been great to have around to haul car parts and everything else. So let's get these tires loaded up and head up to the BMW gallery and get these tires mounted. Thank goodness for a truck. A huge thanks to Marty at the BMW gallery, coming in clutch last minute. I decided last night I want to get the wheels put on the M3. There is a show coming up with the Red Line sorority girls, and I thought, why not have as much carbon and wheels on the car as possible? So let's go to the gallery, get these wheels and tires mounted, and then we'll go and check out the show on Saturday. Wheels and tires have been dropped off. Super stoked. We will let them do their thing, and they'll give me a call once they're ready for pickup, either late this afternoon or tomorrow morning. Either way, no big deal. It'll be done before Saturday, so that's all good. Now let's head home and wait patiently. We are just getting back from the BMW gallery. It is obviously the next day, and we've picked up the new wheels. They got rubber mounted and they are ready to install on the M3. But first we are going to test a little bit of ceramic coating on them because they are satin black. I'm a little concerned that the ceramic will actually make them glossier than I wanted them to be. Sorry, got interrupted by a very important phone call, which is going to be some pretty exciting news coming to a vlog near you guys soon. But first, these wheels, just looking at them, have given me goosebumps. They are unreal. I can't believe these are mine. When I went to the dealership to pick them up, I seen them against the wall and was just like, they're unreal. I can't believe I'm about to put these on the M3. But first, let's get them ceramic coated. Well, we're gonna test the ceramic coating first, and then we will get to be putting them on the car. I will give you guys a little sneak peek preview of just the tires. If you want to see the wheels on the M3, make sure you stay till the end of the vlog, and I will do a big reveal. Maybe we'll go out into the back roads where I normally do some other footage, and we can do some really cool, epic drone stuff. So keep watching. If you're new to the channel, I'm building up my custom BMW M3. Let's get these wheels ceramic coated. Here's your little sneak preview. I ended up running with the 275s. Getting the whole 285, 295 fiasco right now is literally that, a fiasco. So I'm just gonna run these for the rest of this season, and then for 2021 I will look into getting new tires for the back when all the shops are restocked and hopefully we've passed this COVID. We are going to be using the Q2 rim by Guion, just like we did on the white wheels. Like I said, the only thing I'm concerned about is these making the wheels look shinier than they are, and I don't want that. I want the finish to say satin. So let's test on the inner barrel, and then I'll be able to judge on if I'm going to actually coat all the wheels or we're going to have to find something else to use. So let's get to coating these before we put them on the car. So conveniently enough, I'm just going to use the truck box as my workspace today. It's the perfect height. I'll be able to do the wheels properly and easy. So let's do a bit of this inner barrel first, and then we will test it, make sure it's not going to give that crazy of a shine, and then if it's okay, we'll do all the wheels. Added a bit of shine, but still stayed satin black, just a little bit shinier. I think we'll just do the one coat, just because I don't want to shine them up any more than this. Without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to Stone with a facelift. We got all the carbon front lip, carbon side skirt extensions, carbon rear diffuser, and the wheels. If you guys have stuck around this long and waiting for the wheel reveal, thank you, I appreciate it. Hopefully you didn't just fast forward all the way to this point in the video, but here goes nothing. Here are the Vossen HF-3s on my 2018 BMW M3.
Okay, back out fresh on the scene, 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 back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team, 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 back out fresh on the scene, back out fresh on the scene, back out fresh on the scene.
Well, What do you guys think of the new wheels? Drop a comment below. Now, it definitely needs more low, but we're gonna hold off on that till probably fall, just so that I can do it and have it all done and ready for next season. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Sorry for making you wait so long on the big reveal. Please like, comment, subscribe.
Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene.